What if I told you you can search anyone on the internet and there is a tool called Missile Homes and you can just use this ultimate, a complete OSINT, that is open source intelligence tool, to search anyone. And the best part is it works on Linux and Mac. So let's install it. Right now I have a hosting a server running with Kali Linux installed, and the best part is I use it for my daily penetration testing. So if you want a coupon for your hosting or server, you can check the link provided in the description. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to clone the repository, and the GitHub repository link will be provided in the description. So once you clone the repository, the next thing is you will find the install.sh file. Before running the install.sh file, I would just update everything, and as you can see, once I enter the command sudo apt-get space update, you will notice that everything is being updated and the repositories are being updated. Now you need to change the permission of install.sh with the chmod command so that we can execute it. So we are giving it execution permission. Once done, if I type ls, you can see .sh file is turned green. Now let's execute the sh file, and you will notice one thing, that installation is quite simple and it does everything on its own. So let's just begin the installation by typing 1, and there are two informations that you can use. The first is a manual installation where you have to create a configuration and proxy. Second is an automated installation. So I'll just select 2 and I'll hit enter. Once this is done, you can see that everything is being installed. Now this repository needs few things, and who is API, it also needs few other things for OSINT, and the best part is everything is being auto installed. You also need pimp and virtual environment for Python, so just Google how to create it. Once this is done, you can enter the command to run it. Now this is the whole tool, and this is an extremely different and detailed OSINT tool, that is open source intelligence tool, which can help you to search and find information about social media accounts, website, domain name, database, port scanner. It has a lot of things, phone number, email, and lot of things. So if you see a list, there is a list of around 14 things that you can use, and you can also add in proxy to hide yourself and search for things, and even change your IP while doing the OSINT thing. So the best part is we'll test everything in detail and what kind of details we get from this tool. But if you type 0, you will notice that this code keeps on changing. So I'll just type 0 and you will notice that it changes. Now the first thing that I would do is let's search from a domain name. Let's see if it finds something from my website iserpent.com, where I teach and I have an LMS learning portal. So it actually finds a lot of information, and it has Google Map links, and it has some API. If you want, you can search with the whois lookup. I'll type 1 and let's move forward with the whois lookup. Here it has already given me details like IP address and all those things, region. And as you can see, for whois lookup, you might need an API. If you don't have it, it will automatically, while auto installation, it will do it. Second thing is you have to type 1, and you will notice that it does Google Docs, Google Docsing, and it also searches on various social media accounts as well. So there is one more prompt over here. It is asking me to search for reputation scan. So if you want to scan a reputation of a website, it will do that for you. So you can type in 1. Over here we have two options. You can either use proxy, or as it is my own website, I'll just disable the proxy. I'll type 2, and this will start with scanning of all the social media accounts. So it scans for a lot of social media accounts, not just the major ones like Instagram and Snapchat. It also works on TikTok and various other platforms, and that's the reason I'm using Hostinger's reliable and best VPS. So a link is provided in the description. It's not an ad. I personally use it for my penetration testing for especially for proxy and the stability, and to perform task on the go I can access the VPS remotely, and also I can keep it running while the scans are running. So as you can see, it found a lot of website TikToks accounts that have the website listed, and it will do a lot of things. I'll just press control C, command C actually, because I'm on Mac, to stop this, because I don't want to go in detail about the scan. But it also generates a text file and PDF if you want to create a report. Now there are a lot of other options as well which might be useful for you, but for me I'll just head over to the next thing that it can do. It can do a lot of things. It can investigate emails. If you want, you can type in two and you can go further. Let's do a social media scan. My username is gada.priyank. I'll just add in that, and it is again asking me for a proxy. I'll just type in 2 because I don't want proxy, and logs are also disabled. So I'll just hit enter and it will start scanning for all the accounts. As you can see, the best part is it also runs a reverse scan on the images that are searched. So let's say, for example, if there is a gravatar avatar, you can see my name has already popped up and it has found a lot of things. So it will work around. Let's end the scan over here. Let's do it again, and you'll notice one thing, that it deletes the old text file, the report that it has created. Now I'll do a profile scanning, and over here it has giving me the name of the user, and it is not just scanning the name that is provided on the social media account, but rather doing a reverse search on the gravatar. Gravatar is something that allows you, I'll show you a detailed version of OSINT that I personally do on images, reverse image search. There is something called pimp eyes which you can use to search for people. Now let's disable this scan. It also has phone number scanning, but I won't use it because it just gives us detail of the provider, not that much powerful. But yes, there is something that is powerful, that is email scan. So email scan does a reverse search on the emails, and it finds social media accounts that are registered on that particular email. First it starts with scanning if the email is valid, and if it is valid it will go further and investigate and give you details. So if the email is pawned, you will get a link of have I been pawned. So it is really a great OSINT tool, and I would personally use it. So next thing that I would do is do a port scan. So I'll just type in 7, and then you can either give a host name or a website. So I'll just type in any website that you want. My website is priyankgada.com, and it will first give me the host name. There are 4 options. You can go with the scan, you can give a specific port or all ports. I'll just type 2 and it will start the port scanning. And the best part is you can use proxy, or I'm using the hostinger's IP address of the server. That's all for this video.